So this video is going to be areas of parallelograms and triangles. Area of a parallelogram, just like a rectangle, is area equals base times height. The only thing is that height is inside the parallelogram and not a part of the parallelogram. Triangle, area, or it could be outside depending on where they decide to draw it. Area is equal to base times height over 2. Again, height can be inside, it could be outside, but it could also be on if it's a right triangle. So we'll go over that in this video. So what is the area? So parallelogram, there's my base, there's my height. So area is equal to 6 times 6, or 36 meters squared. Pretty simple. Area of this triangle, well, there's my base, there's my height. So area is equal to 9 times 8 divided by 2, or 72 divided by 2, or just like the parallelogram next to it is 36, but now it's miles squared. Alright, area, base, height, because it's a right triangle. So area is equal to 6 times 3 over 2, or 18 over 2, or 9 inches squared. What is the missing length? So I have my height, I'm trying to find my base, given that the area is 133. So this is going to be 133 equals 14 u over 2. Multiply both sides by 2 to start. That cancels that and that. This is 266 equals 14u. Divide by 14, and u will be equal to 266 divided by 14, which gives me 19 yards. Alright, last example. What is the area of the shaded region? So really the triangle. This is now my height and this is my base. So area is equal to 16 times 16 over 2. Well, 16 times 16 is 256 over 2. So that's 128 feet squared. Alright, like I said, short video. Get these done. Have a good week, guys. Hopefully your Easter weekend was really good. I'll see you guys later. Bye.